Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I am gonna go get some raw honey from a friend of mine and for a friend of mine. Last year I gave one of my friends a taste of the honey that, well, actually it wasn't last year, it was 2020 has been so long that it was uh, at the, right before the COVID lockdowns hit. But I brought some honey to him, and he's been bugging me for about the last month. Hey, can you go get me some honey? So today I'm gonna go get him some honey, and I was hoping to um, maybe have a little conversation with the person that I get the honey from and get it on video. I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but if I don't, I really love raw honey. I love it just because of the taste and because it gives me an extra boost, better than sugar or anything else. There are several reasons for ingesting raw honey, and those include antioxidants, antibacterial, and antifungal. Um, it heals wounds, it boosts immunity, it helps your digestive and gut health, and it can be soothing to a sore throat. But let's go through each one of these a little bit more. There's a good picture of honey. Raw honey has been used as a folk remedy throughout history and has a variety of health benefits and medical uses. Oh, by the way, this is from healthline.com, and I just typed in the benefits of honey in the computer, and this is what I got. I am not a doctor, and so I'm just passing on what has been helpful to me and what I'm thankful for. Anyway, back to raw honey. Raw honey has been used as a folk remedy throughout history and has a variety of health benefits and medical uses. It is even used in some hospitals as a treatment for wounds. Many of these health benefits are specific to raw or unpasteurized honey. Most of the honey that you find in grocery stores is pasteurized. It's because the high heat will kill unwanted yeast, and it can improve the color and texture and removes any crystallization, etc. Extends the shelf life. But many of the beneficial health benefits are also many of the beneficial nutrients are also destroyed in the process. So if you're interested in trying raw honey, buy it from a trusted local producer. Well, my friend that has the raw honey has been in business for I don't know how many years, but at least 15 to 20 years, because I've known him for that long. Let's get on to the benefits. It's a good source of antioxidants. Raw honey contains an array of plant chemicals that act as antioxidants. Some types of honey may have as many antioxidants as fruits and vegetables. Wow, I didn't know that. Antioxidants help to protect your body from cell damage due to free radicals. Free radicals contribute to the aging process and may also contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Research shows that antioxidant compounds in honey, called polyphenols, may play a role in preventing heart disease. That's cool. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Research has shown that raw honey can kill unwanted bacteria and fungus. It naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, an antiseptic. Wow, I didn't know that hydrogen peroxide was anything other than you get in a bottle, but apparently it comes in a natural state as well. Its effectiveness as an antibacterial or antifungal varies depending on the honey, but it's clearly more than a folk remedy for these kind of infections. Let's get past the ads here. Manuka honey heals wounds. Manuka honey is used in medical settings to treat wounds because it's been found to be an effective germ killer and also aids in tissue regeneration. Studies show that Manuka honey can boost healing time and reduce infection. Keep in mind that the honey used in hospital settings is medical grade, meaning it's inspected and sterile. It's not a good idea to treat cuts with honey you buy from a store. Phytonutrient powerhouse. Phytonutrients are compounds found in plants that help protect the plant from harm. For example, some keep insects away or shield the plant from ultraviolet radiation. The phytonutrients in honey are responsible for its antioxidant properties, as well as its antibacterial and antifungal power. They're also thought to be the real reason raw honey has shown immune boosting and anti-cancer benefits. So it boosts your immune system. What a great thing to know during COVID-19. You can actually boost your immune system with raw honey. Heavy processing destroys these valuable nutrients. So once again, that's a problem with buying it from the store if it doesn't specifically say that it's raw and unfiltered honey. Help for digestive issues. Honey is sometimes used to treat digestive issues such as diarrhea, though there isn't much research to show that it works. It's proven to be effective as a treatment for H. pylori bacteria, though a common cause of stomach ulcers. It's also a potent prebiotic, meaning it nourishes the good bacteria that live in the intestines, which are crucial not only for digestion, but for overall health. Soothe a sore throat. Have a cold? Try a spoonful of honey. Honey is an old sore throat remedy. Add it to hot tea with lemon when a cold virus hits you. It also works as a cough suppressant. Research has suggested that honey is as effective as dextromethorphan. Okay, say that fast 10 times. A common ingredient in over-the-counter cough medication. Just take 1 or 2 teaspoons straight. Then it says, are there any risks? In addition to beneficial prebiotics and nutrients, raw honey can also carry harmful bacteria such as Clostridium botulinum. I can't say that fast 10 times either, but this is particularly dangerous for babies. Raw honey should never be given to an infant less than a year old. So don't give your kids raw honey if they're less than a year old. It also gives you symptoms of botulism poisoning in infants and in adults here. Constipation, slow breathing, sagging eyelids, absence of gagging, loss of head control, paralysis that leads downward, poor feeding, lethargy, or weak cry. In adults, symptoms can include an initial short period of diarrhea and vomiting, followed by constipation and more severe symptoms such as blurred vision and muscle weakness. See a doctor if you experience any of these symptoms after eating raw honey. Well, the good news is that I've never experienced any of those symptoms from eating honey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our videos. Please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we can get. Also, we have a free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless. And see you next time.